Hey everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello to all of you, wherever you're listening from today. Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well, but something really embarrassing happened to me this weekend.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to a housewarming party for a friend. There were lots of people, music, snacks, everything.
That sounds like a good time.
It should have been, but when I walked in, I realized I didn't know anyone there except my friend, and she was busy in the kitchen the whole time.
So you were just standing there alone?
Yes, I stood next to the snack table eating chips and pretending to check my phone for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's a lot of chips, Anna.
I know, and the worst part was that people around me were laughing and having conversations, and I had no idea how to approach anyone.
Approach. So you mean you didn't know how to go up to someone and start talking?
Exactly. To approach someone means to move toward them and begin a conversation. And I just froze. I kept thinking, what should I say? What if they think I'm strange?
I think that happens to everyone sometimes.
Really? Even you?
Absolutely. I once went to a work event and stood near the entrance for 10 minutes just watching other people talk, trying to find the right moment to join.
See, it's not just me, and this happens in every language, not only in English.
That's right. Meeting new people can feel uncomfortable no matter what language you speak.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Today, we'll help you feel more confident when meeting new people and starting conversations in English.
Because life is full of moments when you have to talk to someone new, at a party, in a class, at a new job, at a cafe, even while waiting in line at the supermarket.
And if you prepare a few simple phrases, everything becomes easier.
You don't have to be super confident or extremely social. You just need a few good sentences to begin.
So, Anna, what could you have done differently at that party instead of hiding behind the chips?
Good question.
First, you need to break the ice.
Break the ice is such a common expression. What does it really mean?
Breaking the ice means saying or doing something to start a conversation and reduce awkwardness. It's like removing the cold silence between strangers.
I love that image, like there's a wall of ice and you need to crack it.
Exactly. And it doesn't have to be clever. Simple works best.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine you're at a party and standing next to someone. You can say, "Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm David. Are you a friend of the host?" Or even, "I'm glad I'm not the only one who doesn't know many people here."
That's it? That's breaking the ice?
That's it. You just need to open the door.
I was definitely overthinking it. I wanted to say something impressive or funny.
That's the problem. The more you think, the harder it becomes. Just comment on your surroundings, the event, or even the weather.
Talking about the weather always works.
It really does. Something as simple as, "It's so cold today," can start a conversation.
Okay, but what happens after that? Sometimes I say one sentence, the other person answers, and then silence.
The awkward silence. Everyone's nightmare.
Exactly.
That's when you ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going.
Like what?
Easy ones. How do you know the host? Do you live nearby? Or what do you do?
What do you do is probably the most common question when meeting someone new.
Yes, and it works because people usually have something to say about their job or studies.
Let's practice. Pretend we're at a party and we've never met.
Okay, let's try.
Hi, I like your jacket. Where did you get it?
Thanks. I bought it at a small shop downtown. I'm David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Anna. So how do you know the host?
He's my coworker. I actually don't know many people here. What about you?
I came with a friend, but she disappeared somewhere.
That always happens. So, Anna, what do you do?
I work at a language school and teach English.
That's great. Do you enjoy it?
I really do. What about you?
See? That felt natural.
And we only used simple questions.
Exactly. We went from talking about a jacket to discussing our jobs in less than a minute.
And we were mingling.
Yes, To mingle means to move around at a social event and talk to different people.
It means not staying in one corner, but walking around and chatting.
That's right.
Sometimes you meet someone and the conversation just flows easily.
And when that happens, we say you click with someone.
Click means you connect quickly and naturally.
Yes, you feel comfortable right away.
But that doesn't happen with everyone.
Definitely not. Sometimes conversations feel difficult, and that's okay.
When you do click with someone, over time you can bond.
Bond means to develop a deeper connection through shared experiences.
Like discovering you both love the same movies or hobbies.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about first impressions.
A first impression is the opinion someone forms about you when they first meet you.
And people form that impression very quickly.
So smile, make eye contact, and use open body language.
What's your top tip for a good first impression?
A genuine smile. It instantly makes you seem friendly.
And remember the person's name.
Yes, repeat it immediately. If someone says, "I'm Carlos," say, "Nice to meet you, Carlos."
That really helps.
Now, let's discuss how to end a conversation politely.
That's important because you don't want to be rude.
Exactly. You need to wrap up the conversation.
Wrap up means to bring something to a close.
At a party, you can say, "It was really nice talking to you. I'm going to grab some food, but let's talk later."
Or, I should go find my friend, but it was great meeting you.
Always say something positive first, then give a reason for leaving.
That makes it polite and natural.
Sometimes, conversations start out of the blue,
Out of the blue means something happens suddenly and unexpectedly.
like someone at the grocery store suddenly asking about which apples are best.
And sometimes those random conversations become meaningful.
You never know when you might meet someone important.
That's why it's good to stay open. Even a simple hello can lead to something great.
Before we finish, let's talk about mistakes.
Many learners are afraid of saying something wrong.
But making mistakes is completely normal. Even native speakers make them.
And most people don't even notice your small mistakes.
They're too busy thinking about their own.
So don't let fear stop you. Practice is the key.
Every conversation is a chance to improve your English.
So next time you're with new people, try breaking the ice, asking a follow-up question, smiling, and using their name.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
What's the hardest part of meeting new people for you? Starting the conversation or keeping it going?
Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you.
Let's quickly review today's vocabulary.
Approach means to go up to someone and start talking.
Break the ice means to begin a conversation and reduce awkwardness.
Mingle means to move around and talk to different people at a social event.
Click means to connect naturally with someone.
Bond means to develop a deeper connection over time.
Impression is the opinion someone forms about you at first meeting.
Wrap up means to finish a conversation politely.
And out of the blue means something happens unexpectedly.
8 useful expressions to help you feel confident when meeting new people.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to English Learning Key and share it with a friend.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, every new conversation is an opportunity to grow.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.